Hi friends, welcome to Sreeveeps Engineering Academy.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain that is modern coal-fired steam power plant. It starts from coal storage. And it is given to coal handling, and that coal handling will send the coal in the belt conveyor to the boiler. Boiler boils the that coal in the high steam. High temperature level fired coal will heat the water, that feed water into high water steam. That water steam is sent to the water superheater. That superheater heats the steam and it's sent to the main valve. In that main valve, that is nozzle is placed there. That nozzle will send the water steam in the forced manner, and that will strike the turbine blades and start rotating the turbine. In that coupled alternator also starts rotating, that generates the electric power, and the generated electric power is given to the step up transformer, that is the generation substation step up transformer, and that is given to the transmission and then processed on. In this wasted steam will be sent to exhaust, that is called exhaust steam. That exhaust steam is sent to condenser, and then it will sent to condenser, and that will be sent to the cooling water. Then wasted steam will cooled to the water level, then it will send to the cooling water. That cooling tower gets water from river or anything else, and this exhaust steam will cooling through cooling water towers, and that it will send to circulating water pumps. That circulating water pumps send this water into condenser exhaust pump. That exhaust pump send the water in the high pressure level, and it sent to the low pressure feed water heater, and that is sent to the deaerator, and that is also sent to the high pressure feed water heater. That is also sent here, that is economizer. That economizer send that water to feed water to the boiler. Okay, and this raw water is sent to here. Raw water is sent to makeup water treatment, and that is sent to makeup water tank, and that is also sent to deaerator, and also high pressure feed water heater. Like this, high pressure feed water heater. In these, all water, that is feed water, will be sent to boiler. That boiler boils that water into steam. Okay, that water into steam. This fired coal will remain, that is as to be sent to the ash handling plant, and also it is sent to the ash storage area. Okay, that is large ash storage area. For this, here superheater will release some from here. Superheater will release some flue gases. That flue gases sent to dust collector. In here dusts are collected, and it is sent to flue gas is sent to economizer to air preheater. That air preheater, that is it is also connected with forced draft fan, and it is sent to induced draft fan and sent via chimney and exhaust via chimney. Okay, this is the whole arrangement, schematic arrangement of a modern coal-fired steam power plant. Okay, these are all the important factors, and remaining are continued in next videos. Thank you.